Hey you guys, we're here at the flip house and we're about to go inside. We can hear work going on. Lots of people here today working. We're getting cabinets in, flooring.
We got some tile that showed up.
So we're about to walk in and see how they look.
And hopefully good.
Of course they're good. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when our next video is live. Let's head inside. Looks like a ton has gotten done in here. So we have, you can kind of see the flooring. You can kind of see the kitchen layout. We have the island in the center, which is huge. It's gonna have some seating at it. And then this wall has, of course, all the fridge and the range. We've got the hood in. You can kind of get a feel for how this all is coming together. And then we have this prep island, which is kind of cool because we were able to leave the plumbing where it was, which helped out. And then the back side of it is almost like serves as kind of a furniture piece for the living room. So I put the storage almost like it's a credenza for the family room area built onto the back of the island. That'll give us some closed storage because the family room just has open shelves. And so that was kind of a helpful thing to have.
We don't have those up yet.
Nope, I actually have to order them. Yeah, you can see kind of the expanse and how big the kitchen is. It's gonna be so nice. And then this is gonna be a huge storage piece. This is the piece of cabinetry that almost got cut from the budget, but Prestige Woodworks made it happen. And
it did get cut.
And then
it was brought back.
Yes, and what's really cool about it is it has like a melamine, a wood melamine inside, which looks really similar to the white oak we used for the cabinet. So I'm loving that because I do feel like it looks like real wood, and we were able to save some there by doing the melamine. So this will be really cool because the scale is just massive. And then it has all these drawers that will go in here. So it's gonna be super cool. Can't wait. We can maybe walk to some bedrooms just so you can see the flooring in there. I did go with the wood floor all the way through. So like this bedroom that felt so small, it
feels a lot bigger.
Feels bigger with the wood floor, because it doesn't have a transition where your eye breaks up where the carpet hits the wood or anything. Yeah, it's pretty nice in here. It still kind of smells weird.
It smells like wood.
Is that wood smell? Okay.
It smells like cut wood flooring.
All right, I'll allow that. This was gonna be a little shelving area. It was a closet.
I'm excited for this guy to go away at some point.
Yeah, we need to update that for sure. And then this room also has the wood. It looks so good. And this will let me put down some rugs too for like interest in the design.
They really do.
Always easier on
They
rugs
really do feel bigger.
Wood. Yeah, right?
This wood's fantastic.
Tile came, the warehouse grabbed a couple of the wrong tiles. So when the order arrived, most of them were correct, but then there was a couple that were not the right ones. So let's go check that out. So here's all the awesome tile from Emser, and it is so beautiful. This is what we're using for the shower walls. So it's really pretty neutral ivory, kind of has a concrete type look. This is gonna be so beautiful. I can't remember if I showed you guys this. This is for the fireplace. It's a natural stone ledger, and so these just fit together, and I think that's going to be beautiful, really high-end looking. So I am doing Pebble floor on the shower. They accidentally grabbed the wrong color, so the one we're doing is just all ivory. So
this is not it.
Lighter tones, but it is the same Pebble. It's just going to be in the ivory. So Emser's amazing. They I called them yesterday like, hey, we got some wrong tile, and they already have the new stuff coming. They're so fast, so I'm grateful for them. The laundry room floor is the other one. It came in a blue color, which is still really cute. It's a gray, but it has kind of a blue undertone. So yeah, this is like one of the options of the pattern tile. So you can see it, it's really pretty, but I'm doing a gray, and it's a tiny bit different pattern for the laundry room, and so that's the one they're sending me. I just thought this blue might not go with the bluish tone in the cabinets.
Garage is even more full now.
Yeah, there's somehow more stuff that came.
And we brought like 10 boxes to add to this.
Yeah, it's getting out of control. So we need to start getting like light fixtures installed soon, I'm hoping. But we have the exterior of the house getting painted. Like we were talking about last time, that's gonna happen next week. That's gonna be a huge change. Actually, I think they're gonna paint the interior first and then the exterior. I can't wait to see That'll be an exciting video.
As soon as painting is done on the interior, we should be able to get some furniture in, which will help with this whole situation.
Yeah, we're getting there. I mean, I feel like we're pretty much on track. We have countertop templating happening too. So templating is where the countertop company comes, and after your cabinets are installed, they make an actual template off of the exact structure so that they get it right. So they're not guessing off of plans or something. So that will be really good to get fabricated while we finish up some other, you know, loose ends. Another one that they're sending, it hasn't been sent yet, is the Backsplash Tile, and it's so cool. It looks like brick, like it'll look like white brick. It's a thinner one, and it's actually a tile. I think that's gonna be pretty cool in the kitchen to have a brick look backsplash. Super excited. One thing is I noticed, we'll go back in the kitchen really quick. So basically there was like, you know, that kind of corner that was cut out just due to how the house used to be. And so I was kind of like, we'll see how it looks once we get cabinets in. But I thought that like with the hood in and stuff, it looked kind of weird to have that missing piece. So I literally asked Mike yesterday, I'm like, hey, can we like frame that in? And he just like has already whipped it out. So it'll make kind of this little niche up there on the other side of it. But I think that even though it's kind of a funky little niche, that it's worth having in order to have the wall be more like flush and even for when we have like that backsplash that I was talking about. It'll just look so much better having it be a full wall instead of like a little corner missing.
It's almost hidden storage back there too from the kitchen in view.
I know. Soft close cabinets. Hardware is really pretty. A little dusty, but you can see nice and modern. I did a matte black. I think I told you I'm going matte black instead of like, I also like brushed brass, but I think that the matte black is a little bit more broadly appealing. Tons of stuff going on here. It's getting to the exciting part where every single week you see a ton of progress. I love that phase because it feels good. Well, thank you guys for watching. We've got tons of stuff going on, and every single week there are lots of changes. So be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when the next videos are live. Give us a like and a comment if you want. I'll see you next time.